Dear students, in this video we discuss matrix multiplication, transpose of that. This is part 2 of matrices. Before video we learn addition, subtraction and types of matrices. Now particularly we discuss in this matrix multiplication, first point. Second point, properties of multiplication. Third one, types of matrices, that means based on multiplication. Fourth one, transpose of a matrix. Fifth, properties of transpose. Sixth one, types of matrices based on transpose. Now, first one, matrix multiplication. A and B are two matrices. If number of columns in A equal to number of rows in B, then AB confirmed. Then AB, the product is confirmed. AB confirmed. For example, A 2 by 3, B 3 by 2. Look here, number of columns in A 3, number of rows in B 3. So AB is confirmed. The product 3, these two must be equal. Then only AB confirmed. Then AB is, the order is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 matrix. Now in the same way, B 3 by 2, A 2 by 3, A 2 by 3, B 3 by 2. Now here these two are equal. So BA is confirmed. BA is confirmed because first matrix B, number of columns in B equal to number of rows in A, that is second matrix. These two are equal. Then BA confirmed. BA order is 3 by 3. AB confirmed and BA confirmed for this example. A 2 by 3, B 3 by 2. AB order is 2 by 2, whereas B order is 3 by 3. So that indicates AB and BA, if both are exist, they need not be equal. AB not equal to BA, order is not same, so they are not equal. If they order also same, even though they need not be equal. So the matrix multiplication do not satisfy commutative property. So how to find the multiplication of two matrices? Now I am going to one example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 4, 2 by 3. B equal to 2 minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 1. Now here AB, A into B, that is nothing but A 2 by 3, B 3 by 2, the product is 2 by 2 matrix. Here the row in A and column in B, 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, 3, sum of the products taken to a term, 1 into 2, 2, plus 2 into 0, 0, plus 3 into 3, 9. First row, first element. Next, first row, second element, that is first row, second column, that is 1 into minus 1, plus 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 1, 3. Next, second row, first element, second row, first column, that is 3 into 2, 6, minus 1 into 0, minus 1, plus 4 into 3, 12. Next, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 1 into 1, that is 4, that equal to, so we get AB equal to, that is 11, 6, 7 minus 1, here 18, now here minus 1. So if a particular element if you want, then for example, if you want this number, this position is second row first element 2 1, second row first element. So you have to take second row in first matrix and first column second row, it is second row second element, second row second element. So we have to take second row in first matrix and second column in second matrix. The sum of the products, that is minus 3 minus 2 plus 4, sum of the products. So if you want a particular element in the product, then we can take that. Now we are going to the matrices. A equal to Aik M by P, B equal to Bkj P by N, then the product AB equal to Cij, that is order is M by N. Look here, M by P, P by N. P equal in these two, number of columns in A equal to number of rows in B. So the product is confirmed. AB is Cij M by N order. Cij equal to sum of the products. Sum of the products. I throw in A, jth column in B, sum of the products. So that is nothing but sigma Aik Bkj K equal to 1 to P. The sum of the products of the elements. I throw in A, jth column in B, sum of the products, that is Cij. We get each and every element in that product. It is the product of two matrices. Now we are going to the properties of multiplication. First one is over. Properties of multiplication. That is, AB is confirmed, BA need not be confirmed. AB and BA both are confirmed, need not be equal. Okay, now AB not equal to BA. That means the product of the matrices is not commutative. Next, associative. Product of the matrices is associative. That means AB into C equal to A into BC. Next, third one. A into I equal to I into A equal to A. If A is a square matrix, A into I is the identity matrix or unit matrix. A into I equal to I into A equal to A. Here I is identity or unit matrix. Next, fourth one. Distributive over addition. A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. That is left distributive. Right distributive. A plus B into C equal to AC plus BC. That means the product of the matrices is distributive over addition. These are the properties of the matrix multiplication. In general, if lambda power A whole power n, for example, lambda A whole power n, that can be written as lambda power n into A power n. A power n means A into A into A into A n times, that is A power n. A square means A into A cube means A square into A. That is same as A into A square. Both are same. Both are same. Now we are going to the types of matrices based on the product. That is the third point. Types of matrices. This nilpotent matrix. Let A be a square matrix if there exists least of n belongs to n such that A power n equal to 0, then A is said to be nilpotent matrix. For example, A be a square matrix. A is not equal to 0, non-zero square matrix. A square not equal to 0, A cube not equal to 0. a power 4 equal to 0. So what happened after that? That is equal to 0. Whenever a power 4 equal to 0, so definitely a power 4, a power 5, a power 6 all are equal to 0. Before a cube, that is not equal to 0. So the least number is 4. Therefore, the matrix is the nilpotent matrix of index 4. Now we are going to next one. Idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. This is nilpotent. If a square equal to a, then a is said to be idempotent matrix. A be a square matrix. A square equal to a. If A is a square matrix, then A square possible. If A is a rectangular matrix, not possible A square. A square equal to A, then A is said to be idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. Involutory matrix. If A square equal to I, then A is said to be involutory matrix. I means identity matrix. If A is 2 by 2, then I is 1 0 0 1. If A is 3 by 3 matrix, identity matrix, I equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So if A square depending on A is an n by n matrix, then A square equal to I is an identity matrix of order n. A square equal to I, then A is involutory matrix. That means self-inversed matrix. There is another word, that is self-inversed matrix. That means A inverse equal to A. So inverse of the matrix that we learn in the next part. That takes some time. Okay. Next one. Periodic matrix like ADA square matrix. If there exists least positive integer k such that a power k plus 1, a power k plus 1 equal to a, then A is said to be periodic matrix with period k. For example, here, let A be a square matrix. You check that A square not equal to A cube not equal to A power 4 equal to A. So that is the least number. That means k plus 1 equal to 4. So implies k equal to 3. So that is the periodic matrix of period 3. For example, idempotent matrix. Before we discuss that idempotent matrix, A square equal to A. So if A is idempotent matrix, that is also a periodic matrix of period 1 because k plus 1 is 2, k equal to 1. Periodic matrix of order 1, of index 1. The concept of transpose of a matrix. Transpose A equal to 1 2 3, 3 minus 1 4 is a 2 by 3 matrix. The rows in A written as columns, the obtained matrix is called the transpose of A, denoted by AT. That is equal to first row 1 2 3. You have to write down that as column, first column. Second row 3 minus 1 4. You have to write down that 3 minus 1 4 as second column. This order is 3 by 2. This matrix is called transpose of A, denoted by A power T or A dash. That also. A is m by n matrix, then A transpose is n by m matrix. N by m matrix. A into A transpose, that is a square matrix. A m by n, A transpose n by m. So product is m by m. So A into A transpose into A, both are square matrices. Whatever it may be the matrix order of A, that is either rectangle or square matrix. Now, we are going to the properties of the transpose. Properties of the transpose. That is first one. A and B are same order matrices. A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. Minus also the same. A minus B whole transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. Second one, AB whole transpose that equal to B transpose A transpose. That is the reverse order. Keep in your mind that AB transpose, B transpose, A transpose. For example, if you take ABC whole transpose, reverse order, C transpose, B transpose, A transpose. In general, if you take n elements A1, A2 and so on An whole transpose, reverse order, An power T, An transpose and so on, A2 transpose, A1 transpose. These are the properties of transpose. Scalar multiplication, if you take that, for example, lambda is a scalar, then lambda A whole transpose equal to lambda is a scalar. You can take out lambda into A transpose. As well as if you take double transpose, that is sixth one, A transpose whole transpose, that is A only. A transpose whole transpose is A. We discussed the last concept in this video, that is types of matrices based on transpose. Now, sixth point, that is types of matrices. First one, if A transpose equal to A, then A is said to be symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Let us take example. A equal to 3 minus 1 4 minus 1 7 8 4 3 4 2 minus 9. It is 3 by 3 matrix. Let us check that A transpose. You have to write down the column, rows as columns. First row is 3 minus 1 4. That is 3 minus 1 4. You have to write down as column. Second row, minus 1 7 8. Minus 1 7 8. Second column. Third row, 4 2 minus 9. That is third column. You have to note down that. Now you check that A transpose. First row is 3 minus 1 4. Second row minus 1 7 2. But here 8. Look here. Here just you change the number here 8. Actually here we get 8. That means here minus 1 7 8 we get that 4 8 minus 9. Once again you check that 3 minus 1 4 first row first column. Second row minus 1 7 8 minus 1 7 8. Third row 4 8 minus 9 4 8 minus 9. It is the transpose of A. Clearly A transpose equal to A. You also construct a matrix of symmetric matrix. How to construct? Look here. Diagonal elements you can take anyone, but the elements diagonal above elements are same as below elements. You check that. Minus 1 4 8 minus 1 4 8. If these three elements are same here, then that is symmetric matrix. You can construct infinite matrices. But whereas diagonal elements, you can take any elements. So these three are dependent elements. The number of dependent elements are 3. If we here 8, you have to take 8 only. Don't take any other number other than 8. That is not symmetry. Okay. Now we are going to the next. A transpose equal to minus A, then A is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Let us take one example. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. That is A. Skew symmetric matrix example. A equal to 0, 3, minus 1, minus 3, 0, 9, 1, minus 9, 0. That is a square matrix. A transpose. Let us find A transpose. Transpose means you have to change rows as columns. 0, 3, minus 1. Minus 3, 0, 9. 1, minus 9, 0. Taking common minus in this. So automatically we get this. That is nothing but minus A. You check that. You check that. Taking common minus from this. 0, R row. It is A. If you multiply with minus 1, we get this only. 0, minus 3, 1, 3, 0, minus 9, 1, minus 1, 9, 0. Whenever you multiply with minus 1, we get this matrix. A transpose equal to minus A. Therefore, it is skew symmetric matrix. Just you observe that matrix. Just you observe that the diagonal elements in skew symmetric matrix, all the elements are zeros. All the elements in diagonal elements of skew symmetric matrix are zeros. And the above elements sign change below elements. Look here. 3 minus 1 9. Minus 3 1 minus 9. Now here the number of dependent elements are 5. In 3 by 3 matrix the number of dependent elements are 5. 3 elements are diagonal. All the elements in diagonal are zeros. 3 dependent. Next the down elements, not only 5 6 elements. Number of independent elements are 3. Total number of elements are 9. Independent elements are 3. Dependent elements are 6. If you take any elements, for example, if you take here x, y, z, you have to write down here minus x, minus y, minus z, then definitely that is a skew symmetric matrix where diagonal contains all zeros. You can construct any type of square matrix, skew symmetric matrix. If you take 4 by 4, that also you can construct all the elements are zeros in principal diagonal. Definitely every skew symmetric matrix is a square matrix, as well as that square matrix, all the elements in principal diagonal are zeros. Okay. Every square matrix can be represented as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. For example, like ABA square matrix, A can be written as P plus Q. That P plus Q, P is 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 into A minus O, A transpose. It is P, it is Q. Let A be a square matrix. A plus A transpose is symmetric. 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose is also symmetric. 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose is symmetric. So, P is symmetric and Q is skew symmetric. Definitely, you can check that. So, every square matrix can be represented as the uniquely expressed that as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Now, we are going to the orthogonal matrix. Let A be a square matrix if A into A transpose equal to I, then A is said to be orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. The type of matrices are infinite. A into A transpose, their product is I. I is identity matrix. Such type of matrix is said to be orthogonal matrix. Next. ABA matrix of complex numbers entries, then A bar is called the conjugate of A. Conjugate of A. That means, for example, if you take A as 3 plus 2i, 4 minus I, 7 minus I, 6 plus 7i. conjugate of a complex number x plus iy conjugate is x minus iy. So here a bar conjugate 3 plus 2i conjugate is 3 minus 2i. Just we have to change I as minus I. That's enough. That is conjugate. 4 plus I, 7 plus I, here minus, that's why 7 plus I, 6 minus 7i. This is called conjugate of a matrix. Now transpose of a conjugate. Transpose of a conjugate matrix. Transpose of a conjugate matrix. A bar transpose. That is same as A transpose conjugate. Both are same. That is called conjugate transpose or transpose conjugate. That is denoted by A star or A theta. That is called transpose of a conjugate matrix. Now we are going to another type of matrix. That is, if A theta equal to A, then A is called Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix. Hermitian is a mathematician. Example: A equal to Hermitian matrix, that is 3, 2 plus 3i, 7 minus I, 2 minus 3i, minus 8, 5i, 7 plus I, minus 5i, 9. Look that matrix. Definitely that is A bar transpose. A theta means that is A bar transpose equal to A. Surely. Look here. First row conjugate is 3, 2 minus 3i, 7 plus I. Check that. That is first column. Second row, this conjugate and transpose. That means column. Second row conjugate 2 plus 3i, minus 8 conjugate is minus 8. 5i conjugate is minus 5i, as well as third row conjugate is third column. 7 minus I, 5i, 9. That's why it is a Hermitian matrix. So how to construct an Hermitian matrix? Very simple. Look here. All the elements in the principal diagonal must be real, purely real, no I in that, and above elements conjugate down. 2 plus 3i conjugate 2 minus 3i, 7 minus I, 7 plus I, 5i conjugate is minus 5i. Such type of matrices are Hermitian matrix. Now we are going to the another matrix, that is skew Hermitian matrix. Skew Hermitian matrix is in the same way here. A theta equal to minus A. If A theta equal to minus A, then A is called skew Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix. Skew Hermitian. A theta, A bar transpose. We can construct a skew Hermitian matrix, that is, let us take one example. A equal to 3i, 7 plus 2i, 8 minus I, minus 7 plus 2i, minus 4i, 5 plus 4i, minus 8 minus I, minus 5 plus 4i, 2i. Let us check that. A bar transpose, is it equal to minus A or not? A bar A bar transpose. Let us check that. A bar transpose. Conjugate of each and every element conjugate. Conjugate means just we have to write down minus I in place of I. That is minus 3i, 7 minus 2i, 8 plus I, conjugate. But transpose also there. Two operations, conjugate and transpose. Minus 7 minus 2i, 4i, 5 minus 4i, minus 8 plus I, minus 5 minus 4i, minus 2i. Now we have to take transpose. Transpose means write down as columns. Minus 3i, 7 minus 2i, 8 plus I, minus 7 minus 2i, 4i, 5 minus 4i, minus 8 plus I, minus 5 minus 4i, minus 2i. Now taking common minus from this or multiply minus 1 to this, minus 1 to this, definitely you get this. You check that. If you multiply minus 1, what happened? All the elements you have to multiply with minus 1. All the 9 elements you have to multiply minus 1. You check that. Minus 3i, minus 7, minus 7 transpose, minus 7 minus 2i, this one. Minus 8 plus I, next 7 minus 2i. You check that. All the 9 elements, definitely it is equal to minus A. So, A bar transpose, that is nothing but A theta equal to minus A. So, it is skew Hermitian matrix. We can construct skew Hermitian matrices. There are infinite skew Hermitian matrices are there. How to construct? You also construct? How to construct that? Look here. In a square matrix, if all the elements in principal diagonal are purely imaginary, that means I, no real part, purely imaginary or 0, above elements, conjugate sign change, that means real part change, real part 7, sign change, minus 7 plus 2i, imaginary part is same, real part sign change, that means 7 plus 2i minus 7 plus 2i down, 8 minus I minus 8 minus I. Next, 5 plus 4i minus 5 plus 4i. Don't change the sign of imaginary part. You have to change the real part only. Real part sign only. Real part means in x plus iy, x is real part and y is imaginary part. You have to change sign this one, minus x plus I. So the above diagonal, 3 elements, change like this only. That is skew Hermitian. Now here, every square matrix can be uniquely represented as the sum of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices. Now here, if a real symmetric matrix there, that is Hermitian matrix. Real means entries are real numbers. Real symmetric matrix is a Hermitian matrix. Real skew symmetric is a skew Hermitian matrix. Okay, my dear students, this is part 2, matrix concepts. Now we are going to the next video, determinants and some more concepts, inverse and adjoint. These concepts we discuss in the next video. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. All the best.